Oh, hello.
southwestern Cass County in southeastern Nebraska until 11 a.m. At 10:35 a.m., a severe thunderstorm
who's playing the
was
DJs
located
back there?
3 miles northeast of Douglas, or 18 miles northwest of Tecumseh, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail.
Dude, in the background, it sounds like someone's playing DJ. Derp.
Impact damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Syracuse, Weepingwater, Elmwood, Palmyra, Unadilla, Attica, Murdoch, Lehaka,
I heard thunder for a
Douglas,
second.
Manly, Odo, and Burr.
Easy to drink.
Oh, I know what station's gonna go off.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 a.m.
Huh.
Following counties
Or visit
in Nebraska, Cass, and Odo.
150 miles.
38 y 439 para proteger nuestras
The
libertades
National Weather Service in Omaha
pagado por Second House Collaborative.
thunderstorm warning for Odo County in southeastern Nebraska.
Whoa, that was weird. I turned the radio off, and then it just, the light turned off. That was so weird. It's been a while since we caught an SVR. Lincoln Water.
And there will be whale.
I'm on a mission to make car buying affordable again. So I humbly ask for your vote. Vote yes for a nicer, newer car. Vote yes for as low as $10 down. Vote yes for a no-bully car buying experience. Vote yes to trade me your roll ride, even if you owe more than it's
This
worth.
sounds like a Kamala Harris ad. A Kamala Harris campaign ad. Here we go. They just now toned it, so nick of time.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe
Weekly test has been
thunderstorm warning
postponed.
for
That's not surprising.
western Odo County in southeastern Nebraska, southwestern Cass County in southeastern Nebraska until 11 a.m. At 10:35 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles northeast of Douglas, or 18 miles northwest of Tecumseh, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact damage
The weekly
to
test
vehicles
has been
is
postponed, so I'm not gonna be able to get it now.
Locations impacted include Syracuse, Weepingwater, Elmwood, Palmyra, Unadilla, Attica, Murdoch, Lehaka, Douglas, Manly, Odo, and Burr. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Cass, and Odo.
That station might have went off before that one. 100.7 might have just went off before that one, so. Alright, well anyway, as I was, working on this, this ended up happening, and I missed another warning, which I was out of the house for, so. Anyway. Yeah, the weekly test has been postponed, and I'm not gonna be able to catch it tomorrow, since, I do have to be at work, unfortunately. I have to be at work doing this, like, so that's a shame. Here's an interesting thing. Look at this. It has been a hot minute since we've last seen something like this. So, they already continued it? I got a Twitter notification saying that they continued it. Yeah, look at that. Oh, God. You know, just seeing this, you know, kind of reminds me of, you know, April 26th, you know? Yeah, they just, wow, they continues it. That didn't take long. So, best bet that's, I'm gonna have to miss a good majority of this event. That's quite a shame, really. Because I was Because usually this is one of my off days. And unfortunately, I got another 4-week schedule, so I might have to bring the iPad out for this one. But I don't know what to expect for this, so.
Northwestern Mills County in southwestern Iowa. South central Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa. Northeastern Sarpy County. Northeastern Cass County in southeastern Nebraska. Until noon
There we go.
Central Daylight Time. At 11:24 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Plattsburgh, 6 miles south of Offutt Air Force Base, moving northwestern 55 miles per hour. Pottawatomie County and southwestern include quarter-size hail. Southeastern Nebraska until noon. The vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include
You're the freaking DJ again.
Council Bluffs, Bellevue, Offutt Air Force Base, Glenwood, Pacific Junction, Lake Manawa Park, and Mineola. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 32 and 48, Interstate 80 Iowa near mile marker 4. Damage to the vehicles is expected. An interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Mills and Pottawatomie, and the following counties.
I know other stations are going to go off for this.
And Sarpy. Following highways, Interstate 80 in Iowa near mile marker 4, 32, and 40. Protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For your severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Mills and Pottawatomie, and the following counties.
Wait a minute.
Mills and Pottawatomie, and the following counties in Nebraska, Cass and Sarpy.
Huh. I thought that one was going to go off. Maybe that station, maybe. I'll wait for a little bit.
De la legislatura afectará a nuestros hijos. Debemos Vermeer, hay, and fitting. This is a friend for the kid.
Oh!
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mills County in southwestern Iowa, south central Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mills County in southwestern Iowa, south central Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, northeastern Sarpy County, northeastern Cass County in southeastern Nebraska until noon Central Daylight Time. At 11:24 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Plattsburgh, 6 miles south of Offutt Air Force Base, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Excuse me, guys, sorry.
Is expected. Locations impacted include southeastern Council Bluffs, Bellevue, Offutt Air Force 29 between mile markers 32 and 40. Junction, Beaver Lake, Lake Manawa State Park, and 4. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Markers 32 and 40. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 p.m. for the following counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building in Nebraska. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Mills and Pottawatomie, and the following counties in Nebraska, Cass and Sarpy.
Bruh, it was about when I was about to take a shower, and I got a notification that a new warning was issued. Derp.